Hello, let me quickly show you how you can charge iPhone 16e wireless. So first of all, you will have to use QI compatible charger. So as you know, this device supports standard QI wireless charging, but does not support MagSafe. So once you actually put it on the phone, by the way, you will have to also place the iPhone correctly. So you have to position the iPhone 16e flat on the center of the charging pad, like in my case. And now you should actually get this charging information at the whole screen, and then in the right upper corner you can also find this charging information. And also you have to be sure to use recommended power adapter. So for optimal charging speed you can use at least a 10-watt QI certified charger and also the power adapter, but you can also connect this end of the cable into your laptop, for example, or any other device with power supply. But the main thing is just to simply apply that device, align it with your charger. So yeah, if it is not working, then you sometimes have to remove protective case from your phone.